I couldn't wait to try this. You'll need 1 can of biscuits. You're going to cut it into eighths, 8 triangles each biscuit. Then chop up however much pepperoni you want. I got turkey pepperoni here. You're going to, I picked this from my garden. I got some fresh basil, put a liberal amount of olive oil, half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, and the cup of cheese of your choice. I did a Mexican mix here. I sprayed my cupcake pan very well, patted them in, put them in at 350 for 15 minutes, and then here they are. Look how beautiful and brown on the bottom and just all over. And they are delicious. And I have some marinara there, and I'm going to share with my kids. And I couldn't wait to just like pull it apart, and it's so delicious. I used a little healthier pepperoni. I used turkey pepperoni, fresh basil from my garden, olive oil, and you enjoy this recipe.